Tell Justice Binta Nyako that she has no jurisdiction to try me, none whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try me, says Nnamdi Kanu on the 10th of February 2020. An average Igbo man has unprecedented and unpredictable tendencies. That is what the Nigerian government is afraid of. And that is why they are keeping Nnamdi Kanu in custody. This and more what I'm bringing your way today. You stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Welcome to Expose with Ivy, your sure explore for all hot, spicy, and authentic information. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a follow on TikTok. It's the same handle, Expose with Ivy. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always being there for me. Do well to smash the like button, share your thoughts respectfully in the comments. Don't fight anybody. Don't use derogatory words on anybody. Just register your thoughts respectfully in the comments. Repost, favorite, share this video with all your contacts, and endeavor to watch to the end. It's important that you watch this video to the end. Thank you so much, and now without further ado, let's dive right into today's topic. Now, report has it that on the 10th of February 2025, that Nnamdi Kanu showed up in the court as previously proposed. But unfortunately, the graph of that court sitting took a downward turn. And the reason is because things did not turn out the way it was planned. Things did not turn out the way it was planned. I don't know what Nigerian government is looking for. I sincerely cannot explain. Yeah, I'm finding it inexplainable. And of course, Mazi actually, he tried to reveal a secret. Why is it that Nigerian government is afraid of the Igbo race? Why is it that Nigerian government is afraid of an Igbo man? Why is it that the Nigerian government is afraid of the Southeasterners? Why is it that Nigerian government is afraid of the Biafran people? Why is it like that? If they are literally afraid of him, they are keeping Nnamdi Kanu in custody for no good reason. This cannot happen in any country of the world. This cannot happen in the Western world. It's only in Nigeria where we have court and joint justice system. That is where something like this can happen. And yesterday, Nnamdi Kanu made an attempt to reveal a shocking secret. He was going to let the cat out of the bag. Meanwhile, some people were trying to shut him up. Some people wouldn't even allow him. But he was able to, spill out a little, revealing that Justice Binta Nyako's son, as well as her husband, are facing corruption charges in Nigeria. And as alleged, the Nigerian government has made a promise that if she can convince Nnamdi Kanu, that the case against her son as well as her husband will be withdrawn. So now, my brothers and sisters, Nnamdi Kanu is the collateral, so to speak. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu is now the collateral. Nnamdi Kanu now is the collateral for the son and the husband to be released. Where else in the world can this happen? Where else in the world can something like this happen? Just tell me. Tell me in the comments. Where else can this perverted justice system happen? Where? They are holding this man for no reason. My auntie Allah, that is representing the cattle rearers, he has said all sorts to Nigerian government. Yes, they shook him, but right now he's a freed man. Showore, the same thing. He has said all sorts, made all manner of threats to Nigerian government. They arrested him, and now he's not in custody. He's a free man. Mr. Sunday Igboho, the same thing. The man has threatened everybody, the government, the whomever. Even when they arrested him the other time in Benin Republic, the governors, the Western governors, they rallied around. They did not allow Nigerian government to do any nonsense, just the way they did, just the way they went to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. They did not allow that to happen to their brother. Today, Sunday Igboho is a freed man. Why is Nnamdi Kanu in custody? I want you to hear him out. Hear the voice of the lion himself. Watch this video.
Binta Nyako said today, for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who's that person?
At the time, he got so furious. He got so furious and he told them that they do not know the law. And it's obvious. The legal system of Nigeria is lacking true understanding of what law is all about. That's exactly what Mazi was trying to tell them. Watch this video.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta and Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it. That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra, my right to agitate. My right. They turned it from treasonable felony now to terrorism. Stop talking when I'm talking.
So now, as it is, this case is standing on an indefinite adjournment. This case has been indefinitely adjourned. Tell me where in the world can this happen? Tell me where in the world can this happen? Where in the world can this happen? Just tell me. It's only in Nigeria. Why? Because they are afraid of the tendencies of an Igbo man. It's heartbreaking. Watching Mazi, a man that didn't do anything. All he did is that he's saying, let my people go. That's all. Nothing else. He's a true man of peace. Why are they keeping... You know, I used to say this. Some people will go to hell for free. Some people will just say that somebody went to hell out of carelessness. What kind of wickedness is this? What kind of judicial shenanigan is going on in Nigeria? Why? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? I don't care what they are doing. I don't care what they want to do. I just want to wake up tomorrow and hear that Nnamdi Kanu has been released. That's all I want to hear. I'm not asking for more than that. This is terrible. They cannot do this with an Hausa man. They cannot do this even with a Yoruba man. Honorable Peter Obi won the election and they swapped it and gave it to Tinubu. Just out of that, our kindness, our kind-heartedness. They say no. Leave it let it be. So I don't care what they want to do. I don't care how they want to do it. I just want them to release Nnamdi Kanu. I just want them to release Nnamdi Kanu. That is it. That is all I want to hear. This thing is so annoying. You are holding someone that didn't offend you, that didn't hurt you anywhere, just because you have the power to do so. That's why you are keeping this man, nothing else. You can't do this in the Western world. You can't. Alright, so I'm not really happy. I'm not in my good frame of thoughts ever since after these court issues and all that. Please do well to share your thoughts in the comment. What do you think? And do well to share this video. It's important that you share this video. This is what I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top. You know why? Because the ground is way too crowded. Bye.